Very good morning, Ambassador. You are warmly welcome to Royal Railway, Cambodia railway station in the heart of Phnom Penh, the vibrant capital of the Kingdom of Cambodia.
Good morning, Minister. It is always a pleasure for me to explore this beautiful country, especially with Your Excellency.
Thank you, Ambassador. Today we will taking the train to visit Kampot province. Shall we?
Yes, please.
This is the train we are going to ride. Japanese made KiHa 183 series train. This train line connects Phnom Penh with the southern provinces. You know, His Majesty the King, Norodom Sihamoni, also traveled on this line in 2019.
Oh, really? I'm very delighted to be on this train from Japan for the first time ever.
Thank you. Ambassador, I heard that you have traveled into 25 provinces in Cambodia.
Yes.
That's truly amazing.
Thank you.
So, what do you think of the landscape and the people?
Yes. Every province has its own charm. The scenery is truly beautiful and the warmth of the people is unforgettable.
Thank you.
My time in Kampot never disappoints me. The atmosphere is calm, peaceful, and unique.
Ambassador, you know Kampot is one of Cambodia's hidden treasures, known for its world-renowned pepper and beautiful riverside landscapes.
Yes, Kampot pepper is also available in Japan and is gaining recognition there as a premium product.
And while Kampot is peaceful, allow me to recommend another kind of escape. Ambassador, have you explored the islands of the coast of Sihanouk yet?
Yes, I have visited Khon Rong a few times with my wife.
Wonderful, yes. Khon Rong has beauty, white sand beaches, and around there is Khon Rong Sanlam, quite for nature lover and diverse. And Coast Light, a local fishing island with a popular seafood market.
It sounds like I have many more places to explore.
We warmly invite both Japanese, international, and national tourists to experience Cambodia railway journey, offering a comfortable and scenic way to explore Kingdom diverse destination.
Thank you, Excellency, for TAC for showing me the beauty of this peaceful city. To my fellow Japanese, I invite you to discover the Kingdom of Cambodia, especially Kampot and the coastline. From the core of Kampot to ancient temples, every corner holds something special. Having visited all 25 provinces, I can truly say Cambodia is not just a destination, it is an experience. Come see the beauty and come feel the warmth.